Good morning. Well, it was a fun night at, I'll say it again, Howling at the Moon. We are rolling. We're out of here. And we are headed to Mexico. We're going to go spend the day in Mexico today in Algodones, Los Algodones. And gotta wave at everybody. Bye, bye, bye. So we're gonna go do our usual thing in Los Algodones. Walk around, have some shrimp tacos at Lepitas, have a Mexican beer. And that's probably about it. Will I eat some cheese nachos? People make fun of me because we go to Mexico and I eat cheese nachos, and they're nachos, and where we go, it's just that canned cheese. Yeah. But I love the jalapenos and that, you know, that old-timey fashion just nacho cheese. Look at that sun. Whoa. Well, I woke up about 2 o'clock in the morning and really couldn't go back to sleep. The traffic right here on the highway is pretty loud, and so it's just that constant traffic noise. I couldn't ever go back to sleep. I didn't get up. I laid in bed and watched YouTube and stuff like that. But anyway, I'll go to bed early tonight. They'll be alright. Alright, we're headed that way. You got your passport? Show me your passport.
There's my passport.
There's your passport. Alright. Here's Dubs.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, it's 9:52.
Happy to see you guys.
So we're gonna go early, I guess.
Well, they don't start serving beer.
Till
Cerveza. Did I say
Is
that
it?
right?
Yeah, Cerveza.
Cerveza.
Is it 10 o'clock our time, right?
I don't know.
Arizona time?
Is
It's
it?
9:53.
Oh yeah, so they work on Arizona time too though, so.
That's what I mean. It's
But by
10
the time we
o'clock.
walk down,
Yeah.
yeah, it'll be 10 o'clock.
Where are we going?
Lapitas.
Okay. Well, they don't serve beer there.
They don't serve beer, but we'll have our regular and then we'll go have beer.
Go have a Tecate. And want some Mexican beer. Here we go.
One of them I don't like. What's the other one?
Corona? That first year we came, it was just me and you. Isn't this weird? It's just me and you.
I know it.
The first year we came,
Does that
and
mean
we
it's our
had
last year?
no,
Okay.
and we had Tecates.
I had something the other day when Hike and Dan and I came over, and I did not like the beer.
Huh?
And I can't remember what I was drinking. I'm gonna have to ask Dan.
You'll have to ask Dan. Do you have text in Mexico?
Yeah, but I'm gonna text him right now.
Alright, I'm gonna get off here and get into. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump from the casino to
Yep. Went
turn in the gate parking.
parked my truck
So-
and then I arrived with you, right?
Yeah, and if I've not ever said it, or y'all don't know, we don't drive into Mexico. We park on the United States side. We pay. You said it's $10 parking.
Yes.
$10 parking, and then we walk over to New Mexico, not New Mexico, to Mexico, old Mexico.
That'd be a long walk.
Yeah. So anyway,
You cannot bring your medical marijuana over here either.
you can't bring a lot of stuff over here.
Yeah.
And they don't check your passport going in; they check your passport coming out.
They did check our passports
Oh.
going in the last time that we were over here.
Okay. Take that part out.
Well, you're going in a different way than we used to go.
That's true. Now, year before, I didn't go last year, but year before last, it was a new entrance and starting to be a new way in. So who knows? I haven't been there in a while, so it may all be changed.
Well, I'm guessing sometimes they do and sometimes they don't, because I've been over here 2 or 3 times now, and that was the only time they checked us going in.
All right. That's about how far it was from the casino to the gate entrance, right there. That's how close it is.
How?
All right, I'm gonna get off here. We'll show you more as the day goes on. Gotta show you the shrimp tacos.
I know there's a game over here, and you girls are too happy.
How like the movie like we did last night?
She's actually got Lapita's shirt on. Shrimp and fish tacos. Yep, that's where we're going. First thing, we gotta have a shrimp taco. Shrimp tacos.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, there's the shrimp tacos with some lime. And I always put the sauce underneath. There's some pico de gallo. That way, if it's really hot, then I don't have to. There's some green sauce.
Ooh.
Yeah. Onions, cabbage, and sauce. I don't know what kind of
pico.
Yeah, under there.
Yeah.
And a Coke Zero. You got a real Coke.
I got a real Coke, the real thing.
The real.
Is good stuff.
Yeah.
How about fresh shrimp? Not right now. I don't want to kill you. Don't want to kill you. Maybe. Hang on a minute. He stepped up.
You need sunglasses?
Lots of girl since I can wear them. They look the same as these on me? Different?
I think so. Hollywood movie star right there.
Oh wait, these look good. Oh wait.
This one.
Hollywood movie star.
Ooh, I can't see.
I can't either.
That what?
Yeah, so I got the license.
Where do you want to sit?
Table? It's going through my neck.
Table?
Just 2.
Sign up there says beer bellies. Cerveza.
Cerveza.
In a cup. Can I have
Cheers.
Good morning. That was way too big.
Is that it?
That's the front, but that's not it.
Small.
Small. No. That's not the same guy.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't think so.
Yeah, different guy.
Yeah,
Oh.
guy. He went to look for me. Nah, your hands. The phone.
Oh, there they are.
No
You
sex.
got a whole band.
Almost.
You got a whole band.
Look at that.
So Dubs bought one of these the first time we came, so we're having a reminiscing of. But you want a smaller one or one that size?
Well, you remember our owl was he was
Bigger?
about that tall. Yeah, he was.
He is smaller. He's pretty cool.
Yeah,
That's
this-
pretty good.
Yeah.
Look at this guitar.
So this is a happy player right there. But I wish it was a saxophone like that. That would.
I think that's supposed to be a saxophone because look at this horn. Well, that's like a clarinet or something.
Yeah. Those are darling.
The little Coronas.
Ah, no.
Getting a massage. Nothing like having a beer and having a massage at the same time.
Mauricio, the garden
Hey Dubs, there you go.
Who's that? Oh yeah, he's huge. Got no place to put him, but I like him. See, I had to go this route. I had to buy the little guy.
He's got the little one.
Okay, you need it, Papa. I don't have a place for it.
Where you going?
I'm going into a room behind some glass doors.
Glass doors?
Yeah, and then thin curtains to strip.
You're getting a massage.
I'm gonna get a massage.
Body,
That's what's happening.
upper body massage?
Yep. Lower back, upper body, yeah.
20 minutes in the back.
Right.
Okay.
She might not be into 30, but 20 probably.
Alright.
Right.
Love you.
Love you too. They're
Hope
good.
you come back out.
Well, if I don't, you know where I'm at. I'm over there in that building over there. You need to see where I'm going in.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah, somewhere with the thing.
Alright. I'm gonna sit here. Me and Al.
You and Al.
Me and Al.
Al's got his back up.
Está bien, está
Yeah.
bien. Sí, hagan lo que tengan que hacer oiga, para no atrasar.
In a bit.
Another one is bigger.
Well,
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, we increased from 20 to 30. I was like, every bit of it was worth it.
alright.
Yeah, and I'd suggest the 45 for 40. And I did 30 for 40. But yeah, and then a tip. So yeah, it worked out. But
That's
it's worth
awesome.
it. That lady,
I know, she's
magical
good.
hands.
That's right.
You need to do the one in the back.
Look.
Even if you only do this. Look, I'm walking. I don't know what she did, but she.
Maybe
my
she,
hip.
yeah,
She hit it.
good.
And I was like, I couldn't believe I got up and walked down there the way I did.
Yay. There's like no line.
Hey, buddy. Yeah.
No line.
Hey guys. Next time.
Wow. I used to go live when I was in line.
I know. We
No
can go
line.
live now.
No, yeah.
God, I gotta get my passport out 'cause I think it's gonna be a quick trip.
Yeah.
My baby.
Well, there's not anybody right here even.
Monday.
Wow.
There's some vessels.
No line.
I like to say this. Come on! Let's go! We gotta clear it!
Wow, I don't know when it's been like this before. Uh-oh, I'm stuck in the cage. Don't want it to hit my ankles.
Yeah, I know that's right.
Well, we made it. We made it out, so now we're headed back to the casino. We're gonna go.
My travel partner. This is Al.
Al, where have you been?
I know he's been on a long vacation.
I know.
His name is Algodones. Could that fake have been any more loud?
Yeah, it could have. So we're leaving.
Could
Well,
that laugh have been any more fake? That's what I'm
Yeah.
trying to spit out.
that's right. So we're gonna go to the casino. And
Park.
yeah, we gotta go get our permit for the night. We'll spend the night. And then I might want to eat something later.
Yep.
I didn't eat cheese nachos, so next time when we come, cheese nachos.
Nachos.
What did you say?
Someone offered us some cheese nachos.
Well, it was the like
A trough.
grande nachos or something.
They had a big bowl of it.
Yeah, they were like, we can't eat all this. Do you want it?
I
I'm
know.
like, no, I wouldn't eat somebody
Frugal would
else's.
be no, and I'd be like, yep.
I'm not gonna eat somebody else's nachos. They've been.
We had just had tacos.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'll let you go.
Have a good one.
You too.
He's trying to balance. He was doing a great
I know.
job.
I'm like, whoa.